Hi guys, how are you today? I hope good. Today for the live stream, we're landing at my local airport this week. And it's looking really fun to land here. I hope everybody's doing good this week. I'm doing good. And it's really fun to land here. Okay, let's keep at speed. There are 44 knots. Okay, and yeah, I have a couple of cool stuff to tell this week. First of all, this week there's gonna be the sim update might come out soon. Since the last one was in August and it's already October, so there's a high chance for the sim update now, since they do it once a few months. So yeah, everybody would be happy for that. But yeah, and today, as always, we're landing the Cessna 152. This time at my local airport. I wanted to come back here. And the weather is, it's pretty cloudy, but it's not raining, luckily. And as you can see, in my area, almost all the leaves have fallen down by now. Yep, they sure did. And fall is a beautiful season. It's very colorful. Okay. Anyway, let's lower down. Okay, we're on final. Short final. Okay. There's no wind gusts really, just good. Oh, there's a little one over here, but we can do that. We can deal with it. Okay, now let's come down. Dive for the runway. Pull up. Nicely and slowly. Okay, pull. Okay, pull. Oh wow, really nice. Minus 53 FPM. Not that bad. Pretty nice. There was some wind, so we stalled a little bit. But I did pretty nicely, putting the machine down smoothly. And we made a butter landing. Yep. We made a nice landing. Everybody. So I'm gonna exit the runway. And we're gonna see what's new in the marketplace, maybe. Yeah, minus 53 FPM is an awesome landing. Next time I just have to look a little bit more at my speed. Yeah, it's kind of confusing because of the camera that's next to me. Minus 53 FPM. Really nice. Yep. Now I'm gonna park and stop. Parking brakes on. Flaps up. And the engine off. Okay, let's exit the plane. Wow, really nice landing, guys. I'm happy you could be with me now, here now, in this place, in this time and place. And yeah. Rudder. Why can't I move? Okay, nice. Caught on. Right flap. Nice. Right aileron. Nice. And now let's check the oil cover. Oil. This is good. Okay. And let's check this now. See if I can check it. Okay, no scare tire. Nice, and now let's get back up and make our picture. Wow, nice landing, everybody. Okay, and make the picture right over here by the corner. Nice. Wow, really nice landing. Okay, by the way, there was a little bit of wind gust, so yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna get back in. Shift C, I'm gonna put the stuff. And I'm gonna see you guys in the marketplace, so just give me a second. Okay guys, so here we are in the marketplace and we have a couple new stuff. First, we have this PC6 Porter. I think we already have the in-game version, but looks like somebody decided to make their own. So that's pretty cool. We have the A340 airliner by Any Builds. This is very cool as well. Yeah, it's very cool. This is the original photo, different one, yeah. And yeah, let's go back. Now let's look at the airports there are. Let's look at the airports there are. Oh, and map, nice. Now today I think we can check this area. Northern Kentucky International Airport. Okay, I want to see how this is. Okay, it looks pretty nice. Then we have Dana International Airport. Okay, the runways look long. They look nice as well. And then let's check this one, Louisville International Airport. And then Tri-State Airport. Okay, pretty cool airport. Looks cool. And then now we can move on here. St. Louis International Airport. I don't know what V 3.0 means. Version 3.0, yeah. Okay, so it looks like it was updated. Then Toulouse International Airport. Okay, nice. Let's look if they have some smaller airports, like for landing small planes. So we definitely have one over here. Yeah, oh, this one is a new one, I think. Oh, it's not, yeah. We checked this one out before. And yeah. Ooh, Key West International Airport. I never knew Key West had an international airport. Key West International Airport. This is the... What? There's two of them? Okay, that's weird. Florida's Keys Marathon International Airport. Okay, cool. I might as well check this one out. Then we have Reef Club Airport. Okay, now this one looks like it's for small planes. So this one is definitely for like planes like the ones I fly. Cat K Airport. Yep, I know this one. I made one of them. The runway is pretty short, but I mean a Cessna can still land on it. The landing will just feel a little more harsher, like 100 FPM. It's Marco Island Executive Airport. And then let's escape back, because looks like soon we're gonna do. And then overall cool stuff we have is this. And now I'm gonna escape back. And guys, thank you very much for flying with me. It was awesome to have you on my live stream today. And bye everyone, have a great day, bye.